Hello everyone. Today we are going to start lesson number 7, that is conservation of plants and animals. Now tell me, what is conservation? Raise your hand. What is conservation? Last bench. Yes. What is the meaning of to conserve? To save, to protect. Sit down. So conservation means to protect, to save. Why to save? To protect plants and animals. What is the need? Why should we save and protect plants and animals? Livia.
We need plants for oxygen.
Only oxygen? Kavya?
We are getting life day by day.
But what is the usage of plants and animals?
Plants give us food also, and for the necessary living purpose, that is oxygen. And animals use us food material also from them.
Okay. Sit down. Both are right, but the answer will be like that. Plants and animals are the basic source of food. Okay, and oxygen. Right? The 5 necessities of our life are there. Which they are, do you know?
Yes.
First of all, we need air, water, food, then clothes, and shelter. Right? So, for air we are depending on plants. Water is given by. So water also we can depend on plants because they are bringing rain. And due to plants we are able to have water cycle. Food also we are depending on plants. And animals too. How we can depend for the food on animal? Animals gives us meat. Then milk, eggs, then honey. Okay, clothes also. Clothes, right? Wool, silk. Okay, and plant also gives us clothes. Jute, cotton. Shelter. Kacha house are also made of plants. Fresh. Okay, plant material. And then shelter. Some way we are using plant. Right? So these all 5 necessities depending on plants and animals also. Right? So that's why conservation is too much important. So first of all, here one definition will be arrived that what is conservation. So what is conservation? So to save or to protect. Or protect of plants and animals, right? So that is called conservation, right? Now here some definitions or some informations are given that you learn in 7th standard, chapter number last chapter I think is there, 17 or 18. 18th chapter was there. In that you learn Kaziranga Park and where that boy and girl went with her grandfather. સમજેલા ને ત્યાં ગાડી જઈને પછી એ લોકોએ flora and fauna and everything they learn them, right? So now here one another definition arises, that is deforestation. So first of all tell me, what is forestation? To plant. Okay, to propagate a plant. Barabar, that's called forestation. It will convert into forest, it's called forestation. Okay, so what is deforestation? Cutting or destroying the plants, that is called deforestation, right? So clearing of forest is called deforestation. Now forest is very much clear to you.
Yes.
Okay, what is forest? Now here in your textbook they are essential. What is the usage of forest? How forests are useful to us? What they are giving? Why should we need forest? What they are giving? Oxygen. They are bringing rain. Then they are the natural habitat of so many animals and birds. Shelter. They are giving shelter to so many lives. Okay. Then
cools the environment.
cools the environment. Okay. Maintain temperature. Then furniture. They are giving us wood to make our furniture. The other things what they are gives to us? Paper. Okay. Then the forest people.
Yes.
How they live?
Depend upon
Which other things we are getting from forest that we are going to learn in this chapter. So we know that deforestation means clearing of forest and using that land for other purposes. Why we are deforesting? To make big land for other purposes. For example, construction of building, houses, bungalows, school, roads, etc. Right? For that we need bigger land, and that's why we are every now and then deforesting. Okay? Trees in the forest are cut for some of the purposes mentioned below. Why trees are cut? So first is procuring land for cultivation. Procuring means available. Okay, available karave ene land. Then available otherwise to prepare. સેના માટે આપણને જોઈએ cultivation. Now what is cultivation? That we learn in first chapter. Farming. Okay, growing crops. That is called cultivation. So for cultivation you need a land.
Yes.
And that's why the people are removing plants and trees and prepare the place for the cultivation. Then building houses and factories, roads and infrastructure. Infrastructure means everything will come, right? Then making furniture or using wood as a fuel. Okay.
Yes.
Wood is so much necessary for our life, and that's why people are cutting trees to make it furniture usage and then for fuel also. Okay, and nowadays for paper also. Some natural causes of deforestation are forest fire. Do you know what is forest fire?
Yes.
What's that?
Natural fire is going on.
Natural fire happens in the forest. How? How it's happened? Friction of what? Branches of two trees nearby, because forest is the place where the trees are grow very nearly. Otherwise we can say dense growth of trees are there.
Yes.
So that's why they are so much near that the branches are having friction with each other, and that's why fire happens, right? And severe droughts. Okay, so what is the natural cause of deforestation? These are two natural causes, that is forest fire and droughts. What is droughts?
No rain for 2 to 3 years. Yes.
Shortage of water, shortage of rain, it's called drought. बराबर में, right? चलो, now consequences of deforestation. Now what is the meaning of consequences? Consequences of deforestation. I can't hear. Natija, yes, parinam, result. Okay, what will be the result if deforestation happens every now and then? So let's see. So deforestation increases the temperature of the earth.
Yes.
Okay, if whatever the percentage of forests are available in India or in a world, that is decreasing day by day, and it will cause increase of temperature, and it will directly connect to the global warming. So plants are doing the purification process. Okay,
Yes.
that means purification process means what? What they are pure? That means what they absorb, what they release? Yes, they are absorbing carbon dioxide and they do photosynthesis for their purpose. They are creating their own food, production of their own food, and that's why they are doing photosynthesis process. For performing photosynthesis, they need 4 things, that is carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide itself, air માંથી એ લોકોને બીજું કંઈ નહીં જોઈએ. They need carbon dioxide, right? Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll, right? So that's why they are absorbing maximum amount of CO2 from the atmosphere, and that is beneficial for us. That will decrease the temperature. Carbon dioxide is a gas which has higher temperature, right? If trees won't be there on the whole world, then what happens? Carbon dioxide will increase as there will no other sources to absorb it, right? And the population itself increasing, so they are also increasing carbon dioxide, right? So temperature will increase, and that will be the first consequence of deforestation. Then pollution level will be higher. How pollution level will be increased on the earth? Yes, the vehicles are removing or existing carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide will increase by so many ways in the atmosphere, right? So that's why deforestation is not good for our earth. Increased level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, groundwater level also gets lower. Groundwater level you learned last year. Okay, in the chapter 9 soil. Barabar? In the soil chapter you learn what is groundwater. Okay, the soil is made up of many layers. I suppose 4 layers.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. So downstairs the groundwater is there, right? That groundwater will be decreased day by day. They know that deforestation disturbs the balance in nature. So that means we can come to one line that deforestation શું કરશે? Will imbalance the nature. Okay, balance જે nature નું છે, the nature has given certain things with the wisdom. અને ભગવાને કંઈક વિચારીને આપેલું છે આપણને કે ટ્રીઝ, હર્બીવોરસ, કાર્નિવોરસ, ઓમ્નિવોરસ, સ્કેવેન્જર્સ, everything. So if you disturb any one of that, then everything will be disturbed. બરાબર ને? So they were told by Professor, okay, rainfall and the fertility of the soil will also be decreased. Rainfall also be decreased, as we already discussed that plants bring rainfall. How they bring rainfall? Can you tell me? Water cycle, but why? But how? Water cycle, that I know. Another thing, transpiration. What is transpiration?
Teacher, removing the waste of plants.
Waste?
By stomata.
Waste.
Removing water from plants.
Extra water removing from the leaves. That's called transpiration. If a plant you are giving it extra water, so it will transfer to the leaves part, and through the leaves it will excess, very small amount of water will release in the atmosphere, and that's why you feel very cool nearby any plant. That process is called transpiration, and that moisture, એટલે water particles they release કરે atmosphere માં, and that also one of the cause of bringing rain. Okay, and water cycle itself તો છે જ, right? ચાલો. Okay, deforestation causes floods. Floods means excess of water, rainfall. So how it's possible?
By more rainfall.
More rainfall is there, then
Sea level of water will be collected in rivers.
rivers. Okay. And more heavy rainfall will be there. So trees are the things that will save soil for erosion. અને soil erosion ને protect કરે. બરાબર ને? How it's protecting the soil by erosion? By roots. અને roots deeply underground ચાલ્યા ગયા હોય, and that's why they are holding the soil firmly. So that's why soil will be stopped erode થવાથી બચી જાય. Right? So this is causing high deforestation. તમે કરતા જશો તો floods બી આવશે, rainfall બી થશે, heavy rainfall, droughts બી આવી જશે. બરાબર? તો droughts બી આવશે ને heavy rainfall બી આવી જશે, because the whole cycle will be disturbed. Now plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, that we are knowing. Fewer trees would mean that less carbon dioxide will be used up, resulting in its increased amount of carbon dioxide atmosphere. This will lead to the global warming. Turn your page. As carbon dioxide traps the heat rays reflected by the earth in temperature on the earth, disturbs the water cycle and may reduce rainfall. This could cause droughts. Okay, these things we have already discussed. Okay, the next result that will caused by deforestation, that is leads to the change in soil properties. Okay, soil ni properties ma change આવા માંડે. What is properties? Characteristics. Yes, soil having certain properties, so it will also change. Physical properties means its look. Okay, first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, so its physical properties will be changed. Then plantation and affected to plantation and vegetation. Okay, if deforestation will be continuing, then it will affect to plantation and vegetation also. So forests are preventing soil erosion also. So if forest will not be there, if trees won't be there, then we cannot save our soil to erode. Removal of the top layer of the soil, that we discussed already. Lower exposes lower hard and rocky layers. Expose kar વધારે પડતા lower એટલે hard layers આવી જશે. Rocky means rocks, big rocks. બરાબર ને? Rocky, uneven and big rocks will be there. Hard and rocky layers will be available. This soil has less humus. What is humus? Humus. Compost. In short, we can say compost. Compost, how we can create manure?
Yes.
Compost with humus inside there. Right? Then less fertile. Gradually the fertile land gets converted into deserts. Deserts means રણ પ્રદેશ. Yes. એ તો ડેઝર્ટ એટલે આઈસ્ક્રીમ જ આપણે આ ફોનમાં તો આવે ને ડેઝર્ટ્સ એટલે આઈસ્ક્રીમ્સ. Like this is called deforestation. And another point of deforestation is that it will decrease the water holding capacity of the soil. બરાબર ને? સોઇલની જે વોટર હોલ્ડિંગ કેપેસિટી છે, that will happen due to the presence of the trees or forest only. That will also decrease day by day. Other properties of the soil like nutrient content, texture, etc. also change because of the deforestation. So there are 10 consequences, 10 results or 10 parinam or natija, whatever you can say, that will cause by deforestation that we just saw. Right? Now conservation of forest and wildlife we will see tomorrow. Today you have to complete the writing work given in your material, that is first period spelling. You have to complete 5 times. Thank you.